don't think they are doing it. I'll talk about Mobick. Since a lot of time has passed, during today's lecture, I mentioned Mobick. The reason why Mobick was created is something you all are probably curious about, but I'll talk about that later. And Mobick is a very good stablecoin. There are two types of stablecoins. One is the centralized stablecoin, and the other is the algorithmic stablecoin. Algorithmic stablecoins failed, right? That was the Luna Terra crash. After the Luna Terra crash, algorithmic stablecoins have evolved significantly. In the process, several different models were proposed, and they've been successful, having learned from the Luna and Terra incidents. Since this ecosystem is always like a vast forest, even when an old tree falls, new life springs from it. Because experiments like Luna and Terra took place, current algorithmic stablecoins came out. But now, algorithms aren't called stablecoins anymore, because they are entirely algorithmic. Anyway, when we look at stablecoins as a whole, we have to consider the trilemma of stablecoins. A trilemma is basically a trade-off relationship between three different things. A trade-off relationship means that you give and take. In other words, in a trade-off relationship, now, there are elements. One is centralization. Centralization versus decentralization is another is one-to-one backing, which is another element. And the last is scalability. The ability to freely increase the supply is scalability. But a stablecoin that satisfies all three of these simultaneously cannot be created. However, this theory was established late. It was through Luna Terra that the theory was established, as far as I know. For the exact details, please ask an AI. It will tell you. The problem with Luna Terra was that it pursued all three of these three things that are in conflict with one another.